visit?
Well, my visit is personal to further encourage him to continue to do what he's doing for Nigerians. No one is saying it is easy, but there's no miracle that can turn around things overnight. But for the little the president has done, we must commend him. I was one time critic of the last administration, but you cannot compare the situation now. So for me, I'm here, one, to take the opportunity of his homecoming to visit him and to encourage him to do more for Nigerians.
Your Excellency, we know you quite well of the other party, and this is another party ruling, but you so much have trust and hope in this man. Why that?
Well, even while I was in office as a PDP governor, sitting governor, I've always believed in his leadership. And I did not hide my support for him, even before he became the president. And the only thing we can do as leaders of this country today is to continue to encourage him to lift up his hands, to make the public understand how uneasy it is to lead an economy that is down and today is being stabilized. You see, there's a difference between things changing outrightly. There's no miracle. But stabilizing the economy, stabilizing the currency, and few courageous steps the president has taken and the achievement of his administrations put hopes in tomorrow for all of us.
Your Excellency, we have seen recently movements, inter-party movements, yes, particularly from your party to the ruling party. How do you react to this?
Well, let me first of all clear this. Fayose will not move from PDP to any political party, not even APC. I am this year 65 years. It's within the choices of those who have chosen to move. Some said they saw what the president is doing. Some said they believe that the party is in trouble. And without doubt, the PDP is in trouble. And that's the gospel truth. And I believe that if they don't quickly take steps, the party in itself will become Carcass. That is the truth.
As a leader of the party, in the party, what are you doing towards resolving the crisis?
Right, I'm not in the front line anymore. I am no more the governor of a state. The little contribution I can make, I made it while I was on the seat. I was the hotbed when I was governor of Ekiti State. Everybody in the country knows that. So I can't speak for the people moving, but I want to tell you that if nothing drastic is done about the PDP, the party will become Carcass.
Are you truly a party now?
Of course. Of course. That was why I first of all said to you, nothing will make me move from PDP to another party. The moment I'm no more in PDP, I would rather leave politics, party politics.
In your state, how satisfied are you with what is happening in your state?
Well, we have a governor who is doing very well. Abiodun Abayomi Oyebanji, governor of Ekiti State, doing very, very well. All the former governors in the state are behind him. And for us, Ekiti is not about the party you belong to. It's our primary constituency. It is by the unity of that state that the people can benefit. So for us, I just asked Mr. President, let me put this right now. I just asked Mr. President expressly, because the last time I was here, I told him, what is your take on the governor, Governor Ibanji? He told me that is where he is. And I asked him again, because of rumor and counter-rumor, his position on the current governor of Ekiti State to run the second time. And he told me, Ayo, that is where I am. Remain there. And I will remain with the governor.